Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be seeing how to make rontos ani dali toy. This is nothing but a rice flour puri and a Konkani style lentil soup combination. This is a sattvic ahar which is very rich in iron and it has the right amount of protein and carb in it. This is a regular breakfast menu in any Konkani home. So let's see how to cook this simple recipe. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and when it turns grey, press the bell icon next to it to get regular notification from us. We are in Facebook and Instagram also. Do like us and follow us there as well. First, we will be seeing how to make rontos. To make rontos, we need 1 cup of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of salt. In a bowl, add the rice flour and the salt and mix all the dry ingredients. Once the ingredients are mixed well, add lukewarm water and make a dough out of the rice flour. Once the dough is ready, make uniform balls out of it. To flatten the balls uniformly, spread a plastic sheet and grease it with oil. By placing another plastic sheet on top, flatten them uniformly by pressing them in same force in all directions. Carefully remove the rontos out of the plastic sheet and deep fry them. Now our rontos is ready. Let's see how to make the dali toy. To make the dali toy, the lentil we have used is 1 cup of tur dal. We require 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of hing, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, jeera and few curry leaves for seasoning, half a cup of chopped potato. Firstly, in a cooker, we need to take tur dal, green chili and ginger and cook them for about 3 whistles in high flame. Once our dal is ready, add cooked potatoes into it. We have cooked the potatoes separately for about 10 minutes in microwave. Add salt, hing and turmeric powder and mix well. Now our toy is ready. We can add the seasoning and have it along with rontos. Hope you liked the video. Do try this recipe at home when you get time and do let me know on how it was. If you like my video, do not forget to share and subscribe. If you want me to vlog a recipe of your choice, do email me or comment below. Thanks for watching and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.